Guys, ayan nga. So, nagsawa rin ako kumain ng meat. Mga karne, mga gulay. Ayan, so magpilas naman tayo, guys. Alright, yun ang pang-lunch natin. Alright, except for the kids, of course. This is my lunch. Ag-noodles tayo. Mag-noodles tayo, guys. Pero this is pancit canton, momshies. So, big siya na pancit canton. Medyo maanghang, guys, ang lulutuin ko. Para at least may thrill, diba? Pag maanghang, medyo may thrill kainin. Diba? With, ang tawag doon? With fillings. Ayan, ang ating lulutuin, pancit canton. So, ayan, guys, luto na ang ating pancit canton. Ayan. So, ayan. So, tapos ko na siya, guys. Na-drain. Alright. So, next would be putting the seasonings na. Putting the seasoning. Ito, guys, medyo ano siya ha. Medyo maanghang. So, we're gonna put down the ayan. See, ito yung seasonings niya, guys. Pancit canton. Mura lang, guys, pancit canton. You can buy pancit canton yung mga ayan, mura lang, guys. O, diba? Kita ba ang ating pancit canton? Yan, guys, ang ating pancit canton. Ito, guys, chili and soy sauce. Soy sauce and chili. Ayan. Then, all we have to do, guys, is mix it. Mix. Yan, ito ang ating lunch, guys. Yan. Medyo maanghang ito. Ayan. Ito ang ating lunch. Ayan, guys. So, let's taste the pancit canton. Okay, ganyan siya, momshies. Ayan, mainit-init pa siya. Okay, so, tikman natin. Yummy, momshies. Yummy ang pancit canton. Isa pa. Yummy, momshies. Thank you for watching, guys. Our videos and reels. Bye.